Here's the Soothe Cough and Throat Pet Supplement. So you're going to see right here, it helps with dry and wet cough, immune support, throat, and respiratory. This is going to be the 1 ounce bottle. It's for cats, for dogs and cats. Go ahead and get a 360 view of the bottle. Recommended serving once to twice per day. You see that? And then it gives you the weight and the amount. Okay. Break down there, supplement facts. Go ahead and open this little dropper. You can see it's a little dropper, right? And give you an idea of what it looks like. So you see that. Okay. A little dropper. And this is going to be Soothe Cough and Throat Pets Supplement.